this is the Dometic CRX 110, and it comes with a flange that fits right into the extrusion channel. So you can see I have all the stainless steel hex bolt right here that looks so nice, and it fits right there, flush, and it's super strong right now with the extrusion all around it. They mount into the extrusion to the floor. That is super nice and easy access from inside and outside. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, I'm also cutting the countertop. You can see I clear coated a couple times, and then we're gonna put it up here and let's see how it fits. This color looks so nice. Let's put a light color. Cool. Wow. Very pretty. Okay, I sanded all the corners, makes it look more roundness color. I mean the corners. This morning, I'm still working on this this side of the bed frame. It's a lot of aluminum cuttings, as you can see, and we want to utilize the space down here. We can make some kind of shelves to make as much storage as possible. So that's what I am working on this morning. All right, you can see our aluminum framing is done right now. You can see our storage. It creates 13 by 9.5 all the way to 7 feet long, on 6 feet long in this one. So when you open up the bed, everything here is storage. So nice size storage here. We can utilize it. So it's time to cut the wood to fit and paint it. Ready. What a beautiful shower head. Yeah, today we are having look at this. Maybe I just cook this with mushroom. Okay, you can also have mushrooms in here. You can load it, and then if you have sprouts, you know, you can use sprouts on this. If not, just chop lettuce like this, or you can have chopped lettuce head with, oh yeah, just one tomato. Now you cannot close the sandwich. Spill it all over. just looking at it, oh man, hey, fly, leave my food alone. My God, so good, dude. Sandwich number 2. Today we celebrate what? I don't know. Feel like I want to drink, you know. Doesn't it look good on a hot day like this? Apple cider with a sandwich. Oh, cheers. Right now we're kind of at the final touch-up phase right here. So there are about eight more items that I on my list I need to complete, such as the swivel table, the shore power plug, and little doors and the light switches and stuff on the side. Last night I got home already about 7 p.m. and I worked. I was still working on this right here. Our swivel table, I already installed the base. I just need to connect the tabletop and sand it off and clear coat it a little bit. I also installed the external shore power plug on the outside. That one is done, out of the way, and now I'm working on connecting the light on the back here, and little door, here and there, just to make sure everything is good, trimming and stuff. So we are at the final touch up. Okay, the last thing is the gray container, the gray water tank, which I will do that last before I go underneath the van, make sure everything is all done up here, and then just install that. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed how this van come out. I just still need a little bit of more things, touch up here and there. Like I said, the gray tank needs to be installed. After that, test. After that, clean up, making sure everything is working. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching and following me along this build all the way through. Thank you so much for the good compliments and suggestions. There's more to come. So please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and share, and hope to see you the next video. See you later.